My name is Tim J, and guess what? Welcome to my channel.
I got that glow. I got that glow.
Hey everyone, I'm Tim J, and guess what? You're watching my channel. Hey, I need y'all to subscribe to my channel right now. Click that button, that red button right there. Click it right now and follow your guy. Because guess what? You're here for one reason. That's for me to teach you how to make money. And that's something your school can't teach you. I don't care what college you are in. They're not going to show you how to become an entrepreneur. And guess what? I am going to show you that by watching my channel. Also, don't forget, by following me, I am going to give away a lot of stuff for you new business owners. So if you own a business and you need business cards, you need flyers, you need website, you need SEO, you need advertising, you need all these great things, what makes a business successful, I already own the printing company. I already own the graphic design, the marketing and advertising company. I own it. So I am going to help a lot of my subscribers by giving them things for free to help them become successful. So if it's you, subscribe now, follow my channel, and you may be one of my lucky runners. Now, let's begin. Today, I'm going to teach you the difference between an entrepreneur and a business owner. A business owner is someone that owns a business, that goes into a business, come up with a name or whatnot, or they done seen somebody else making some money doing this and I can do that, or I work for this company, so now I'm going to open up my own company. The idea that they came up with to make their own income so they can be able to live a more better life than working for someone making $10 and $15 an hour. They choose to be their own business person. Now, I'm honest to tell you this, everybody ain't made to be a business owner because it's a big, huge responsibility, and you got to be able to handle that responsibility. Also, Uncle Sam is in your pocket, so you got to pay taxes. So you got to make sure everything that you're doing with owning this business is done right. And I'm going to teach you guys all this by watching my channel. An entrepreneur is someone that owns several different businesses, have many different streams of income. That's an entrepreneur. So when a business person has that one business that they control and they run, an entrepreneur has several businesses that they control and they run. Also, they have investments, they have stocks and bonds, they may be flipping homes, whatever it takes to make more money, that's an entrepreneur. That's the difference between a businessman and an entrepreneur. I hope I was able to help you get the understanding the difference between a businessman and an entrepreneur. Right now, I'm about to head out. I got to go to one of my partners. He's about to open up a car wash, and we handle all his businesses. That's from the marketing, the advertising, the printing, setting up different things to make that business pop so he can make tons of money like he's doing. And I also got to stop by this building. I'm about to open an event center in and see if I'm going to get approved to do it in that location. Until next time, see you guys later.
Said I wouldn't do it. Motherfucking crank. I got that glow. I got that glow.